Hi, I'm Rick Garotti, Mayor of Banyule City Council. I want you to imagine Banyule in 2041. What do you want our city to be like? What needs to be kept and preserved? And what would you like to see change or improve? We're asking our community to work with us to develop a 20-year future vision for Banyule. Your views and feedback will help us to create a new 2041 community vision and council plan. This will also inform our long-term financial plan. Tell us what's important to you. What's your vision for Banyule? And how can we work together to make this city better and build a brighter future together? Whether you live, work, study, or visit Banyule, we really want to hear from you. Visit Shaping Banyule to share your ideas and contributions and help shape the future of our city.